Hi everyone, it's me, teacher Adrian J. Nicola, and today we're going to talk about simple interest. So, first, what is simple interest? For example, we borrow some amount or money from a bank or a money lender. So, we borrow some money or amount of money from a bank or someone that we borrow some money. This borrowed money is called as loan. The money that we borrowed is called as loan, okay? However, at the time of returning the loan to the bank or the money lender, we have to pay back an amount somewhat bigger than the loan. So, when we borrow money from our friends or in the bank, for example, we borrow 100,000. For example, we borrowed 100,000, and when we return the money we borrowed, it will have something like more higher money that we should pay back. So that money that's the higher or something like that, it is called the simple interest. Yes, that is the simple interest. So, what is simple interest? Simple interest is the amount paid or earned for the use of money. So, it is the amount of money that used to pay when we loan or we borrow some money. There are this kind of interest. So, the simple interest formula is I, which stands for interest. We also have P, which stands for principal or the amount of money borrowed or invested. And also the R, which is the annual interest rate or the percent of interest expressed as a decimal. And we also have the T, which is time in years. So we should let's see for an example here. Example 1, find the simple interest for 2,000, invest at 5.5 for 4 years. So for simple interest, we first going to put the I or the interest equals to PRT, which is the principal rate and time. So to get the interest rate as a decimal, divided by 100. So first we're going to put the interest equals to 2,000, which is the invested. So for our interest, which is 5.5, we're going to divide it to 100. So we're going to make it into a decimal number. So, and also we're going to put the 4 because it is the years. So next, I equals the simple the money that we borrowed, which is the 2,000, and the interest, which is in decimal number, so 0.055, and also the year, which is 4 years. Now when we total it, it will total into 440, which is our interest. Okay, so in 4 years, 440 will be earned in simple interest. 440 will be the simple interest. So we have other example, which is example. So example 2, Peggy borrowed 2,600 from a bank to help pay for her college tuition. The interest rate is 8% per year. How much simple interest will she pay if it takes her 5 years to repay the loan? So we're going to find how much will be the interest when Peggy borrowed 2,600 from a bank, and an interest is 8% per year, and he will going to pay his borrowed money in 5 years. So for simple interest, we have first the interest equals principal rate and time. So interest equals our borrowed money, which is the 2,600. So, and also our interest, which is 8 over, we're going to divide it to 100 because we're going to turn the 8% into a decimal. So we're going to also put the time, which is 5 years. And then the next is interest equals to the 2,600 and our decimal numbered percent, which is the 0.08. And we also have our time. So if we total it, we will going to have 1,040 total of interest. So Peggy will owe 1,040 in simple interest if she takes 5 years to repay the loan. So I hope you enjoy our class today. I hope you will see and we will see again in our next video. Thank you, class.